Hey, alright everyone, today we are doing a tub and tile surround, and we're going to be doing a decorative concrete overlay over this floor. So this one doesn't look too bad, but we'll give it a nice cleaner, non-dingy looking white and brighten up those grout lines. Anyway. Alrighty everybody, here we are. This is our quick 2-day bathroom transformation. You can see the tub and tile has been resurfaced in a nice, clean, beautiful color white. And then we did a concrete overlay right here on the floor over the existing tile. Gave it a nice slate texture. And it came out pretty sweet. There we are. And let's go take a look at the other bathroom because we did the hall bath as well. There's the tub and tile there. And the bathroom floor here. Done in 2 days. Long days, but 2 days. Alright, see you guys on the next one.